Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about bomb shelter family found in Virginia, whether it's real or fake. Quick disclaimer, everything I've shared in this video is based on public information and own research. Also, a lot of you ask me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, the story claims a Miller family was found under a farm in Dayton, Virginia, where they'd been hiding for decades to avoid modern society. Pretty wild. But here's the catch, it's completely fake. Reddits are already fact checking it or fact checked it already. No police reports, no official confirmation, nothing. The original post looks like it came from a satire or fake news site and people just run with it. Classic internet rumor. It's one of those too crazy to be true stories that gets shared because, well, people love weird stuff. But in this case, it didn't happen. So, yeah, the bomb shelter family story, total hoax. Entertaining? Sure. But real? Not even close. Just more online fiction dressed up like a breaking news. Did you see this one and wonder if it was legit? Let me know in the comments. And if you like fast myth busting videos like this, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.